Joy. I'm so happy. One year ago, I was skiing at my hometown ski resort, and we decided to take one last run after lunch. I took a fall and my leg got caught behind me, and I felt severe pain, yelling for someone to get my ski off. But I felt an all too familiar feeling. I knew I had likely torn my ACL. About 4.5 years ago, I took a big fall skiing and I tore my ACL, MCL, and lateral meniscus.
First one was traditional ACL reconstruction. We used a quad tendon autograft for her ACL graft. Her second surgery was on the opposite knee. She experienced what many ACL patients experience, and that is an ACL tear in the opposite knee that they had torn previously.
I was devastated, and I became obsessed with making it a better surgery. So I found the BEAR implant.
With a reconstruction, you're replacing the original ACL tissue with a graft of some kind, whether it's an allograft from a cadaver or autograft from the patient's own knee. But either way, you're replacing the ACL tissue, and that unfortunately removes all the small nerves that are running through the ligament. So the BEAR is different because with an ACL repair, you're preserving the patient's natural anatomy, you're preserving those nerve endings, you're preserving that proprioceptive feedback, and so that the knee will feel more normal.
Prior to surgery, I was broken and very depressed. After surgery, I was fixed. I felt a lot better. Most of my depression went away, and I focused on the incremental achievements that I saw in physical therapy. You can't talk about surgery, especially an ACL surgery, without giving credit to physical therapy and my physical therapists. It takes a lot of work, and luckily Miach Orthopaedics provided us with guidance on how to progress throughout the process that was appropriate for the BEAR implant. The biggest benefit that I saw coming from the BEAR implant was that it restored the natural anatomy of my knee. When I first went back to skiing, I was a little nervous, but also extremely excited. I had been looking forward to that day for a long time, and I'm really grateful for Miach Orthopaedics and the BEAR implant. There's nothing like cold air coming across your face on a sunny blue day on the mountain after a fresh snowfall and just making turns. It takes away all your worries and your pain, and everything you have going on just kind of peels back and you feel like a kid again. I'm really grateful.